Yeah.
Welcome to Atmore! Make some noise! Are you glad Amtrak may be coming back? Isn't this a beautiful sight? Thank y'all for coming out. We appreciate everybody that showed up today and participated in making this a special event. I can tell you, from New Orleans to Atmore, Alabama, there are a lot of people excited about Amtrak. We're excited it's here too, and we're a part of it. And I am very thankful that Atmore gets to do this. To do the official welcome, please make welcome the Mayor of Atmore, Mr. Jim Staff.
It's always great to have a crowd like this. I want y'all to know we got a key to the city we're going to give these good folks. We just want everybody to know how much we appreciate them being here.
This plaque is presented to Joe Boardman, president of Amtrak. Joe was not able to make it today, and I was honored to be able to stand in for him today. It says, welcome to you and the Amtrak inspection train for a visit to our city. So we fought back in the 90s with folks, some of them here today, John Robert Smith from Meridian, Mississippi, to save our service. So I know what you're feeling. I know what you're trying to do. I know the coalition you put together to do it. I know it's not easy, but I also know it's worthwhile. Now, the Southern Rail Commission has put together a plan. There's a vision that they put together, and Amtrak shares that vision. We're going to be active partners with you all along the coast here to implement that vision. We have a plan. We're going to implement that plan. What we got to do is we all got to continue to work together. I know you're going to do that. We're going to do that. We'll make that plan a reality someday. So here's what I'm going to tell you today. I'm going to take this back to Joe. I'm going to tell him that even though he's leaving Amtrak in September after 8 years of service, we're going to bring this key back here on the first inaugural run and open up, and we're going to use this key to Ardmore to freshen the first inaugural run. I hope it's me. If not, it'll be somebody else on the board. Thank you very much. Mayor, thank you.
I'll tell you what. Nobody else, no other town had it welcome like Atmore, probably. Tell it to them now.